wala siyang hold departure order. She's not been charged with a crime, kaya pwede siyang lumabas ng bansa. Kasama niya ang kanyang anak na babae. As far as we know, and it's been verified that she had no departure order, she had a visa. But apparently, in the course of the hearings ng Senate, her visa was canceled. So, nagbaka sakali yata siya na pumunta ron. Dumating siya sa Amerika. Ang US Immigration INS, ang US INS, ang nag-flag sa kanya. Detain sila and they're in the process of being sent home here, back here.
Kinumpirma ng Department of Justice o DOJ na inaresto at nakakulong sa San Francisco, California, USA si dating Police Colonel Royina Garma noong November 7. Ayon sa DOJ, ipinag-utos na ni Secretary Crispin Boying Remulla kay Immigration Commissioner Joel Viado na asikasuhin ang pagpapauwi kay Garma dito sa bansa. Samantala, sabi naman ni Department of the Interior and Local Government o DILG Secretary John Vic Remulla na detine si Garma at anak nito matapos makansela ang US visa.